synthetic stones that bring a brilliant sparkle to your creations. As the depth of a round-cut synthetic stone is 60% of its diameter, a 5mm stone is about 3mm deep. If you would like to use 4mm or 5mm synthetic stones without adding too much bulk to your creation, this video about a high-prong style setting ring project is sure to give you some great ideas. Roll 5 grams of art clay silver into a thin rope. Make the rope 4 centimeters longer than your ring circumference. Flatten the rope with a plastic ruler for 1.5mm consistent thickness. Trim both edges with a scraper to ensure a consistent width. Roll out only one end of the clay, flattening it from the middle to create a triangular profile. Again, trim the thinner edge with a scraper for consistent width. Moisten the end slightly and roll it up with your fingers, taking care not to ruin the shape. The roll-up part should be 2 to 3 millimeters larger than your stone diameter. Place the rolled-up part on a wooden mandrel and push it lightly with your fingertip. Wrap the opposite end around the wooden mandrel and set the position. Moisten the joint between the ring band and the ring top with a damp paintbrush. Press lightly with the brush for the great join. Check if the rolled-up part stands vertically and cut away the excess clay on the opposite end. Let it dry. Once dry, file the tip of the rolled-up part flat. Drill a through hole with a drill bit that is half diameter of your stone. Example, for a 4mm stone, use a 2mm drill bit. Drill down a little with a drill bit that has the same diameter as your stone. Refine the hole with a stone setting burr. Smooth the opposite end with a file and a rough grit of sponge sanding pad. Apply water-diluted art clay silver paste to the contact area for reinforcement. Leave it dry. Finally, it's time to set the stone. Place the stone table side down on the work surface. Hold the ring upside down and lower the bezel onto the stone to catch it. This aligns the table facet horizontally, allowing the synthetic stone to showcase its full beauty. After the stone is set, fire the piece. This is after firing. Please feel free to apply your preferred finish. This ring features a 4mm stone. 4mm stone has a depth of 2.4mm. Combined with a 1.5mm plate, the culet sticks out too much, making it hard to work with. This technique lets you set the stone while keeping it comfortable to wear. For this textured ring, notches were made in 4 places on the stone setting to give it a high-prong style setting look. Also, the edges weren't made even when flattening the clay, giving it a smooth, flowing form with thick and thin sections. With this technique, you can make a finished ring up to Japanese size 12-13 with a 4mm stone and 9-10 Japan size with a 5mm stone. 1.5mm thin ring shank ensures a comfortable fit and makes a large stone look even more stunning.